So we are going to talk about the transport of molecules into the cell membrane or out of the cell membrane. Why do we need to know this? Because in order to create the membrane potential, we need to create a difference. And we need to create a difference through the transport of ions. So first, let's learn about the transport. There are four types of transport. There is simple diffusion, facilitated diffusion, active, and secondary active transport. Now, we are going to talk about these four only because it serves the idea for the change in membrane potential. So first we talk about simple and facilitated. So what they are is they are passive transport. So what that means is that no energy is required. The molecules are transported down its concentration gradient, so from high to low. And then we have active transport and secondary active transport. What they do is they use energy. They use energy to transport molecules against their concentration gradient. So against concentration gradient. So the difference between simple and facilitated is that simple diffusion don't require protein to do that. So facilitated diffusion require transmembrane integral proteins to passively transport the molecule or substance across the membrane. So requires transmembrane integral proteins. Active transport, it uses the ATP hydrolysis for transporting the molecules against its concentration gradient, while secondary active transport doesn't. It doesn't use ATP hydrolysis. It uses electrochemical gradient, so there is a coupling between transports. So it transports one molecule passively, which serves the energy for another molecule that can transport against its gradient. So it doesn't use ATP, so no ATP, but it uses electrochemical gradient to create an energy source to transport by harnessing the increase in entropy in the electrical gradient.